And now being this fat romantically, it's very difficult. Very difficult. Yeah. And think about it, no? Like, why are there no fat superheroes? Like, why are there no fat superheroes? Hulk is not fat superhero, sir. He has six-pack and all. He's big. If he was fat, he won't be called Hulk. He'll be called Bulk. Next one, genius will shout, Kung Fu Panda! Kung Fu Panda is not a superhero, it's a stuffed animal. Cartoon character. And even there is no Mrs. Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda 1, 2, 3, so many movies, still no love angle in any of those movies. Yes. There are no fat super, but there should be, okay? There should be. I'll tell you why. See, you take any superhero story, okay? Any superhero story, whether it's Kaka Kaka Surya or Gotham City Dark Knight, the story is the same. Yeah, first hero will be kicking the villain's ass. Everything will be going great until the villain kidnaps the Jyotika. Yeah, like the superhero's girlfriend. Then the superhero is in a dilemma. He does not know what to do. Like, do I save my girlfriend or do I save the entire city, entire country, entire planet? Which, if you think about it, roughly translates to, do I save every single hot eligible girl out there? Or do I save this one girl who's always in the wrong place at the wrong time? Sunny, I told you not to go there. Why are you always getting into trouble? Which is why I should be a superhero, no? No Jyotika, hey? It will be so easy. I'm telling you, this is why I'm going to write a letter to Marvel. Yes. And insist that in the Avengers 3 movie, they have to include one fat superhero under the OC quota. Yes. OC will stand for obese category. But it will be so easy to create a fat superhero character. Because you take any superhero character, what do you need to create a superhero character? First, that character needs to have a long, sad backstory. Okay. You are born, you are fat, done, sad. After that, the character has to have one traumatic, life-changing incident. Like his parents have to be killed, or his uncle has to die, or his entire planet has to be destroyed. When you are fat, no need that much drama and all. During school, in PT period, you were picked lost by the team to be the umpire. That is the day he was born. Fat man, no need. Big boy. Fat man will be very cliche. It'll be like we copied. Big boy, see, that's all created. No. Next, what do you need? Big boy's arch nemesis can be heart attack. Big boy's super weakness can be cholesterol. Done. Like, if I want to be any superhero, you know who I would want to be? I'd want to be Batman. Yeah. But you know why I want to be Batman? No other superhero comes with butler attached. Yeah. It'll be so easy, no? Alfred, Batmobile is dirty, go clean it. Alfred, Batsuit needs ironing, go iron it. Might as well, Alfred, Gotham needs saving, go save it. But actually, no. Honestly, if I could be any superhero and I could have any superpower, you know which superhero I'd want to be? I'd want to be Mystique from X-Men. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, that's only that blue color girl in the X-Men movies always running around without clothes. Yeah. I'll want to be Mystique from X-Men. Like, not because I already have the boobs for it or anything, okay? Yeah. So much, no one's been excited about my boobs. Not very nice. I'm telling from first-hand experience. But I'll want to be Mystique. I'll want to be Mystique because what is a superpower, man? She can just turn into whatever she wants. Like, imagine, no, she's walking down the road in one shop. She sees one pair of jeans she likes jeans. She can just get it. Which is so amazing. Because she never has to go shopping in her life. And that is so amazing because I can never go shopping in my life. Shopping is impossible. Already it's impossible to find clothes my size, okay? Like this and all is custom made. Yeah. Even there somehow if I manage to find one shop that has some big size clothes and all, no? The salesmen are there, no? #1 assholes. Like I'll walk into a store and be like, hi, yeah, I would like to buy a shirt. Sure, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Sir, would you like to try out our new Slim Fit collection? No. What else do you have? Sir, otherwise you have Muscle Fit, sir. Muscle Fit. What else? Sir, otherwise you have Chisel Fit, sir. Chisel Fit. Because that shirt cannot be worn. They have to place it and chisel it only. What do you have in free size? Sir, we have kerchief, sir.
Hi guys, oh my god, this looks delicious. I'm thinking this place has some of the best food. I'll tell you where it is later, but I'm in a hurry to eat, so please like the latest video, share it, subscribe to the channel.